Imagine for a moment that your body is a fortress. It has high walls, a deep moat, and guards watching every gate. This fortress is designed to protect the most valuable thing you own, your life. But every single day, there are invaders trying to break in. Invisible enemies like viruses, bacteria, and toxins are constantly testing the walls, looking for a crack, a weak spot, or a sleeping guard. When they get in, the alarms go off. You feel tired, your throat hurts, your head pounds, and you are forced to stop everything you love doing. But what if I told you there is a weapon hidden in plain sight in your local supermarket that acts like a reinforcement squad for your fortress? It is not a pill made in a high-tech lab. It is a knobby, strange-looking root that has been used for thousands of years by healers who knew something that modern science is finally confirming today. We are talking about ginger. But here's the catch. Most people are using it completely wrong. Today, we are going to dive deep into the truth about ginger and your immunity. We are going to explore what actually happens inside your cells when you consume it, the specific compounds that act like medicine, and the exact way you need to take it to unlock its full potential.
You might think you know ginger. Maybe you have had it in a cookie or a soda. But the ginger we are talking about today is a biological powerhouse. To understand why it is so effective, we first need to understand what happens when you get sick. When a virus enters your body, your immune system launches an attack. This battle creates inflammation. Inflammation is actually a good thing in the beginning. It is the heat of the battle. It is your body fighting back. However, chronic inflammation, when the battle never ends, is dangerous. It exhausts your resources and leaves you vulnerable. According to research published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine, ginger does something incredible here. It contains a bioactive compound called gingerol. Think of gingerol as the general of your immune army. It does not just fight blindly, it organizes the defense. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When you consume fresh ginger, this gingerol enters your bloodstream and helps to cool down the unnecessary inflammation, allowing your immune cells to focus on the real invaders. It clears the smoke from the battlefield so your body can see the enemy clearly.
Let's go deeper into the gut, because this is where the magic really happens. Did you know that roughly 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? It is true. Your intestines are like the training grounds for your immune cells. If your gut is unhealthy, your immune system is weak, confused, and slow to react. This is where ginger acts as a master architect. Ginger has antimicrobial properties. According to studies found in the National Library of Medicine, ginger can inhibit the growth of different types of bacteria, including some quite nasty ones that cause gum disease and gut infections. But it's not just about killing the bad guys. Ginger helps to speed up digestion. It promotes what scientists call gastric emptying. If food sits in your stomach too long, it ferments, causes bloating, and creates a toxic environment. Ginger helps move things along smoothly. By keeping your digestive system flowing and clean, you're ensuring that the training ground for your immune system is in perfect condition. You're essentially giving your immune cells the best possible environment to prepare for war.
Now, let's talk about stress. We live in a world that never stops. You are stressed about work, about money, about family. Stress produces a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is like kryptonite to your immune system. It suppresses your body's ability to fight off infection. This is known as oxidative stress. It is like rust forming on the metal gears of your body. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants. These are tiny molecules that hunt down the free radicals caused by stress. Imagine free radicals as little vandals breaking windows and slashing tires inside your body. Antioxidants are the security team that catches them and kicks them out. By consuming ginger, you are reducing that oxidative stress. You are scraping the rust off your gears so your machine can run smoothly again. This is why people who consume ginger regularly often report feeling more energetic and clearer in their minds. It is not just a feeling, it is a physiological cleaning process taking place at a cellular level.
However, we need to address a massive misunderstanding. Not all ginger is created equal. I see people buying ginger-flavored candies or processed ginger ale, thinking they are doing something good for their health. I have to be honest with you, that is mostly sugar. Sugar is the enemy of immunity. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria in your gut and suppresses your white blood cells. If you consume ginger with 30 grams of sugar, you are taking 1 step forward and 2 steps back. To get the real benefits, you need the real root. Fresh ginger root contains fresh gingerol. But here's a secret tip that very few people know. When you dry ginger or cook it, the chemical structure changes. Gingerol transforms into showgales. Showgales have an even more potent antioxidant effect than fresh gingerol. So, for the ultimate immune boost, you actually want a combination of fresh ginger and dried ginger powder. You want the full spectrum of these bioactive compounds. Let's look at the respiratory system. When you catch a cold or the flu, what happens? Congestion. Your chest feels tight, your nose is blocked, and you cannot breathe. Ginger has a long history in traditional medicine as a remedy for this, and science backs it up. It helps to relax the smooth muscles in your airways. It acts as a natural expectorant, which means it helps to break down and expel mucus. Imagine your lungs are a network of tunnels. When you are sick, those tunnels get blocked with debris. Ginger helps to clear out the debris so air can flow freely again. A warm cup of ginger tea isn't just comforting psychologically. The heat, combined with the active compounds, physically helps to open up your respiratory passages. It is a hug for your lungs from the inside out.
There is another angle to this story that is often overlooked: pain. When you are fighting an infection, your body aches, your joints hurt, your muscles feel heavy. This is part of the inflammatory response we talked about earlier. Interestingly, studies have compared ginger extract to common pain medications like ibuprofen. While it might not work as instantly as a pill, over time, ginger has shown remarkable ability to reduce muscle pain and soreness. By reducing the systemic pain in your body, you allow your body to rest better, and sleep is the time when your immune system does its best work. If you're in pain, you cannot sleep. If you cannot sleep, you cannot heal. Ginger helps bridge that gap, soothing the body enough to enter a state of recovery.
So, how should you actually take it? This is the practical part. You do not need to eat a whole raw root like an apple. That would be incredibly intense and probably unpleasant. The goal is consistency. You want a steady supply of these compounds in your system. A very effective method is ginger tea, but made correctly. Don't just dip a bag in water for 10 seconds. Slice fresh ginger, maybe about an inch, and smash it a bit to release the juices. Boil it in water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You need that heat and time to extract the medicinal properties. Add a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C and perhaps a little raw honey, which has its own antimicrobial properties. This is a classic elixir for a reason. Another powerful method is the ginger shot. Juice fresh ginger, mix it with a little apple or lemon to cut the spice, and add a pinch of black pepper. Why black pepper? Because it contains piperine, which increases the absorption of nutrients in your body by up to 2,000%. It unlocks the door so the ginger can walk right in.
But we must also talk about safety. Because ginger is potent, it is not for everyone in unlimited amounts. Since it helps move things through your digestive tract and can thin the blood slightly, if you are on blood-thinning medication, you absolutely must talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of ginger to your diet. Also, for some people, too much ginger on an empty stomach can cause heartburn, which is ironic since it helps digestion. It is all about balance. Start small. Listen to your body. If you are pregnant, ginger is famous for helping with morning sickness, but again, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure the amounts are safe for your specific situation. We are looking for health, not risks.
Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Why are we turning back to these ancient roots? Because we have realized that relying solely on reactive medicine, waiting until we are sick to take a pill, is not the best strategy. Preventive health is the future. Building that fortress, strengthening those walls before the enemy attacks, is how you live a long, vibrant life. Ginger is a tool in your toolkit. It connects us to the earth and to thousands of generations of human beings who survived harsh winters and plagues without modern hospitals. They relied on roots, herbs, and knowledge passed down through centuries. When you slice into that root and smell that spicy, citrusy aroma, you are connecting with that ancient survival wisdom.
Think about your daily routine right now. Where can you fit this in? Maybe it is grating some fresh ginger into your morning oatmeal. Maybe it is adding it to a stir-fry for dinner. Maybe it is that evening ritual of tea. It does not have to be a chore. It can be a moment of self-care. Every time you consume it, visualize it working. Visualize the gingerol marching through your veins, calming the inflammation, waking up your immune cells, sweeping away the toxins. The mind-body connection is powerful. When you believe in what you are doing and you support it with a substance that actually works scientifically, the results are amplified.
I want you to try a challenge. For the next 7 days, incorporate fresh or dried ginger into your diet every single day. Just 7 days. Pay attention to how your digestion feels after a meal. Pay attention to your energy levels in the afternoon. Pay attention to how well you breathe through your nose. You might be surprised by the subtle but profound shifts in your body. You might find that the brain fog lifts a little. You might find that the heavy meal you ate doesn't make you feel so sluggish. These are the signs of a body that is functioning more efficiently.
In conclusion, the truth about ginger is that it is not a magic wand that will make you immortal, but it is one of the most versatile, accessible, and scientifically supported natural tools we have to support our immune system. It fights inflammation, aids digestion, reduces oxidative stress, and clears respiratory pathways. In a world full of synthetic solutions and expensive supplements with flashy labels, sometimes the most powerful answer is a humble, knobby root that costs a few cents. It is nature's way of saying, I've got your back. Don't ignore it. Embrace it. Make it part of your life, not just when you are sick, but to keep you from getting sick in the first place.
If you found this information valuable and want to learn more about how to use natural foods to unlock your body's potential, please subscribe so you don't miss the next video. We are going to dive into another powerful natural remedy next week that pairs perfectly with ginger. I have a question for you. Have you ever used ginger to cure a cold? And how did you prepare it? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your recipes. Now, if you want to know about the one spice that can ruin your gut health if you take it wrong, click on this video right here. See you there.